If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you.
At CLS, we show respect and kindness in many different ways. In the cafeteria, we show respect and kindness by waiting for our turn to enter the cafeteria. We wait patiently and calmly. When we enter the cafeteria, we enter with respect, walking and finding a seat right away. When it's time to line up to get our lunch, we walk to the line with respect for others and ourselves. When we go through the lunch service line, we are kind and say please and thank you. We know the rules about getting up at lunchtime. Always raise your hand. And when the lights go off, so do our voices. When we eat, we use low voices and keep ourselves in control at all times. And when lunch is over, we show respect for our cafeteria by cleaning our area and lining up quickly and quietly. In class, we show kindness and respect in many ways. One way is to pay attention to whoever is speaking. Another is staying focused on our work. When we do this, we are respecting ourselves as learners, as well as the learning of others. We also share and listen to the ideas of our peers. Raising our hand is always kind and respectful. Recess is another time where showing respect and kindness is very important. Following the rules and taking turns in a game shows respect. Playing fairly and having fun with our friends, but not taking ourselves too seriously, is another way to show respect. When it's time to line up, kindness and respect is seen when we line up quickly and quietly. We remember to continue to be respectful when we enter the building. In the hall, we always show respect and kindness. We walk in our line and turn our voices off. This is showing respect by not interrupting the work of others. Finally, when it's time to leave for the day, we show kindness and respect by holding the door for our friends and walking respectfully and safely to our bus. We say goodbye to our teacher and friends. Our respect and kindness extends all the way home as we use quiet voices on the bus and stay seated the whole time. As you can see, when we all use respect and kindness, our school is happier